Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm excited about our newest listing and wanted to talk to you about that for a little bit and give you a quick tour. It is 2313 Lakewood Road. This is on a great quiet street. It is a home that has been updated, a nice big back deck off of the back that is, it was brand new in 2017. Newer AC in 2017, nice master bathroom with tile walk-in shower, double vanity. You also have a wood-burning fireplace as well. So it's a great home. So sit back and enjoy our tour.